Hey everybody, it's Adam from Gemsby. Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your account to PayPal. It's pretty simple. At the top of the page you'll see step 2 of 4 once you've logged into your seller dashboard. If you're not logged in, you'll obviously have to log in first. Now, if this isn't showing the connect to PayPal, you can also click orders over here. Okay? And then you've got collect payments right here. So let's go back. So most of you will have this at the top until you've set it up correctly. So we're going to click that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to follow this guide right here. So this is an updated guide using our brand new seller site. At the bottom here you'll see the guide. Connect your PayPal with your Gemsby store. We're going to do a separate video for Stripe next, but today it's about PayPal. So if we follow the guide, first step is to log in to PayPal in your developer dashboard. Now, keep in mind, this is very important. You're going to need to use either a Premier or Business PayPal account, because if you don't, you won't get the option to switch to Live and create APIs. Okay, so this is a business account. I'm going to go ahead and click Live. This is very important, and I think this is the #1 area where people are having issues is they're staying in Sandbox. And you can't stay in Sandbox because that's just going to give you a test account with a test number. So you have to click Live. And once I've done that, all I have to do is click Create App. We're going to write Gemsby Test Live. I recommend keeping it simple, just calling it Gemsby, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to call it Gemsby Test Live. So you create the app. Now, PayPal is going to give me this code here. I'm going to copy that code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that code right here in my PayPal box on my Gemsby seller account. Again, it's right here on the payment slide. So save client ID. Now, once this is done correctly, what you'll end up having is on your Gemsby site, on your specific Gemsby page, you should then have, at the moment, you've got a contact seller button. Okay, so this is a customer who has yet to connect to PayPal. As you can see, there's no Buy It Now button. Now let's go ahead and search again. We've used them before. I always like opening the store because they've got great videos. So anytime it shows this in stock button, that means that the seller has connected correctly to PayPal. You open this, and now you've got the Buy It Now button. So the previous store I showed hadn't set up their PayPal yet, so they didn't have this Buy It Now button. But this guy does, so you click it, and it's as simple as checking out with PayPal for the customer. And then the money would go directly into your PayPal account. Again, if you're stuck, we've got this guide here, which will give you all the steps. The most important is to make sure that you've got a business or Premier PayPal account. And that you're live. Always make sure it's live. There's Gemsby Test Live. If you do it in Sandbox, you won't be able to connect payments. It'll still generate a code, but it won't be a live code. And when customers try to make a purchase on your Gemsby store, it's going to give them a something went wrong error. We periodically go through and double check to make sure everybody's PayPal is connected correctly, but once in a while, some slip through the cracks. So if you have any questions, you can always contact us here through live chat.